Hello, moneymakers. Did you know making $34,000 per month on YouTube is actually easier than doing a 9-to-5 job? Yes, that's right. There are people who literally run 3 YouTube channels and make money $34,000 per month with YouTube. Check out these 3 channels. All these 3 channels are in the history niche that includes history of the universe, history of humankind, and history of Earth. Their biggest channel is History of Universe with more than 1 million subscribers. If you filter down their popular videos, we can see most of them have got more than 1 million views on these videos. In this video, I will reverse engineer this niche and show you the secret method to create these videos with the help of AI and make big money on YouTube. Also, I will show you an amazing tool where you'll find all the features you need for content creation. So, grab a glass of soda and watch this video till the end. Alright, so as you can see, these 3 channels make videos about history. But each channel focuses on a specific history topic. For example, one channel creates videos about the history of Earth, another about the history of the universe, and the third one about the history of humankind. If you make all your videos on a single topic, your chances of going viral increase. This is because when you stick to one topic, the YouTube algorithm quickly understands what type of audience should see your videos. Of course, you can mix different topics if you want. But looking at these 3 channels, it's clear that choosing a specialized topic and making all your videos on that subject gives faster results. This is a proven strategy. So let's follow the same strategy. The first step is to find a channel idea, meaning what kind of history videos you will make. For that, the best place to start is ChatGPT. Then, you need to tell ChatGPT. I will give you some channel information, and you just need to analyze it. Now copy the information of all 3 channels in the format shown on the screen. Paste them one by one into ChatGPT, and it will start analyzing them. Next, join the Telegram channel given in the description and open my Google Doc from there. Then, select the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As you can see here, ChatGPT will generate channel ideas along with video titles, which will help you understand what kind of videos you need to create. If you don't find a suitable idea, simply give the command, "Generate more." ChatGPT will then provide you with even more channel ideas. For example, you can choose topics like history of the unknown, history of the brain, history of the ocean, and many more. Just pick the topic that interests you the most from the list below. Just to show you the process, I'll choose history of extinction. You can also create videos on the history of a specific country. For instance, this channel focuses on the history of China, and it's performing really well. Similarly, you can make videos about your own country's history or any other country. Now, once you've selected your niche, the next step is to find video ideas. To do that, simply go to YouTube and search for videos related to your chosen niche. For example, I searched history of extinction, and I found many related videos. You can pick topics from these videos. Apart from that, you can also use AI tools to help you generate more ideas. Now, you need to go back to my Google Doc and find the second prompt. In that prompt, replace the placeholder with the niche you have selected. Once you've done that, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As you can see on my screen, ChatGPT will generate video topics along with 2 thumbnail text suggestions for each topic. All these topics are designed to maximize curiosity and virality, ensuring that your videos grab attention and perform well. This way, you can generate as many topics as you want using ChatGPT. And honestly, all the topics it provides are great to start with. Now the next step is selecting a topic from the list and creating a script for it. For my video, I'm choosing, "What was the worst day in Earth's history?" Now we need to create a script for this topic. And remember, the script is the most important part of a successful YouTube video. The watch time of your video depends mainly on the quality of your script. If your script isn't engaging, viewers will get bored and switch to another video instead of watching yours. For this, you need to create a perfect and engaging script, one that hooks viewers and makes them want to watch your entire video. To help you with that, AI Maskman has already prepared an amazing prompt for you. You can find it in the Telegram channel linked below. In that prompt, simply replace the placeholder with your topic, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate a full script for your video. But if you want to make changes, select the canvas option to edit. For example, if you need a longer script, you can tell ChatGPT, I want a 20-minute long script, so please add more acts and expand all paragraphs. You can edit this script however you want. But don't just rely on ChatGPT's script alone. Do some Google research and add extra information on your own to make the script more accurate and detailed. And wait, I know that creating multiple videos every week can be incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Finding topics, writing scripts, editing, and managing your channel might feel overwhelming at times. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm introducing our exclusive Done-for-You program. My dedicated team and I will handle the entire video creation process for you, from brainstorming unique content ideas to scripting, editing, and even optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So if you have the budget to outsource, book a free consultation call with me to discuss how our Done-for-You program can transform your channel. Click the link in the description below. Alright, now let's move on to the next step in this process, finding footages and generating images related to the script. If you watch this video, you'll see that they are using stock footages along with AI-generated images to make the video more engaging. We will use the same strategy by combining footages and AI-generated images in our video. ChatGPT has already given video suggestions within the script. Now we just need image prompts to generate the required visuals. To do this, simply copy each paragraph from the script one by one and give ChatGPT this command. Create 5 realistic image generation prompts to create these scenes. Then, paste the copied paragraph below the command. And boom! ChatGPT will generate 5 image prompts based on that paragraph. You can create as many as you need to get the perfect visuals for your video. This way, you need to generate image prompts for all paragraphs one by one. Now that we have the image prompts, it's time to generate the images. For this, I'll be using Wondershare Filmora 14 because it doesn't just offer AI image generation, but also comes with many other features for video editing. With Filmora, you can enhance your video quality using various editing tools. You'll also get access to stock footages, which makes the process even easier. And the best part? Filmora's new AI feature allows you to create AI videos as well. That's pretty cool, right? You get all the essential features in one tool, so there's no need to purchase multiple software. So, for now, let's use the AI image generation feature to create visuals for our video. Now, all you have to do is paste the prompt that ChatGPT provided into Filmora's AI image generator. Next, go to the Filters section and select Realistic for better quality images. Then, in the settings, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. Filmora will now generate 4 images for you. Continue this process one by one until you have generated all the necessary images for your video. Now go back to ChatGPT and check the footage suggestions it provided in the script. You need to find related stock footages to match these suggestions. For this, you can use Filmora's video library, which makes the process super easy. Simply search for the footage you need, and Filmora will show you multiple options to choose from. Since Filmora provides iStock footages, you can safely use them commercially without any issues. However, you can also find some free stock footages in Pixels and Pixabay, but they may have fewer options compared to paid libraries. Once you have gathered all the images and videos related to your topic, the final thing you need is a voiceover. If you can record your own voice, that's the best option because it adds a real and personal touch to your video. But if you want full automation, you can use AI-generated voiceovers. I've always been committed to bringing you the best niche ideas and top-tier tutorials, completely free. Over time, many of you have taken advantage of these resources and built successful businesses just by watching my videos. But I also know that some of you want more. That's exactly why I created AI Maskman Academy. Inside, you'll get full access to exclusive courses covering everything you need to build a profitable YouTube business, live coaching calls where I personally guide you through challenges, a private community of like-minded creators to network and grow with. If you're serious about making money with AI and YouTube, this is your chance to learn directly from me. The best part is, for the initial members, I am offering 70% discount to every one of you. So before the price increases, check out the link in the description now. For realistic AI voices, use tools like 11 Labs. Go to the voice library, select the language, accent, and gender, then check the information section to pick the best suited voice. I'll go with Robert's voice, but you can choose whichever sounds best for your content. Now that we have all the materials, it's time to create the video. If you want to add something unique, you can also generate AI videos from your AI images, making your video look even more realistic. To do this, download the images by clicking the camera icon and selecting the save location. Once downloaded, you can convert these images into AI videos. I have converted my images into video clips, as you can see here. Now let's start editing. For editing, I'll use Wondershare Filmora. First, import all your materials into the project. Then, add the voiceover file to the timeline and adjust its volume as needed. If you want to add an effect where your voice starts softly and gradually becomes normal, you need to apply the fade-in effect. This will make the voice start slowly and then reach a normal level, giving your video a professional touch.
What if I told you that there was a day, one single day?
Now, based on your script and the footage suggestions from ChatGPT, start searching for stock footages and adding them to your timeline. Along with stock footages, don't forget to insert the AI images and videos that you generated earlier. Place them in a way that syncs well with your voiceover, making the video visually engaging. If you need to extend the length of a video clip, you can reduce its speed, which helps in maintaining the pacing of your content. To make the video even more engaging, add sound effects. Go to the audio section and search for sound effects based on ChatGPT's suggestions. Keep the volume low so that it blends well with the voiceover and doesn't overpower it. One by one, check ChatGPT's suggestions, search for the sounds, and add them to the timeline. If a particular sound effect is not available, you can generate it using AI. For example, if I need a sound like "the ground trembles," I can generate it using an AI sound tool. That's amazing, right? Now go ahead and add sound effects throughout your video wherever needed. This will make your video feel more immersive and professional. Next, head over to YouTube's audio library and search for a documentary-style background music. Download a good one that fits the mood of your video. If you prefer, you can also find background music directly in Filmora's audio library, which has plenty of options. Once you have your background music, add it to the timeline and adjust its volume so that it blends well with the voiceover and sound effects. Now, to make the visuals even smoother, you need to add transitions between clips and images. I'll be using transitions from the fade and dissolve section, as they give a clean and professional look. You can apply these transitions to all the clips to make the video flow seamlessly. In some parts of the video, you also need to add text. For example, at the beginning of the video, I'll add this text based on ChatGPT's suggestions. To do this, click on the text icon, then select the 3D text option for a more stylish look. Now type your text in the text box and customize it by adjusting the colors, fonts, and styles to match your video's theme. And look at this. How cool it looks, right? Just like this, add text wherever you feel it's needed to enhance the video. Now go to the effects section and search for documentary. Filmora will suggest various effects related to that style. Simply pick the ones that suit different parts of your video and apply them accordingly. And that's it. Your video is ready to download. Now just export your video and upload it to your YouTube channel. It's really that easy with AI. So this is how you can create history videos using AI tools. If you learned even a little from this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Now let's take a look at our demo video.
What if I told you that there was a day, one single day, where the very fabric of life on Earth was torn apart? A day when the sky turned to fire, the ocean suffocated, and the very air became poison. A day so catastrophic that 90% of all living creatures perished. This wasn't a story from mythology. This was real. And it almost ended life as we know it. 252 million years ago, Earth was alive with creatures from a forgotten age. This was the Permian period, an era before the dinosaurs, where monstrous amphibians ruled the rivers and reptilian beasts stalked the land. The planet was full of energy, its ecosystems complex and thriving. But something was stirring beneath its surface, an event so catastrophic that it would erase nearly all life,